How to know when to repair or replace your home's air conditioner. Here are some recommendations on how you should evaluate HVAC replacement and repair. Large repairs. Go for a money-wise choice by replacing your older and less efficient system with a new one. Major equipment. Investing in annual maintenance is a wise choice that can extend the life of a cooling and heating system. If you are faced with a major repair and your system is 10 years or older, it is often best to replace the system. A new system will give you peace of mind and will include a manufacturer warranty. Accessories. Replacement of your thermostats or filters is a good idea. Calling your local HVAC contractor more than once a season for issues stemming from those parts. Energy bills. If your system is too old, replacement is a better idea than going for frequent repair. Systems available now are more energy efficient and would save you money. Contact Day and Night Air or call us at 602-892-9717 to have your air conditioner repaired or replaced by a professional.